remove the panel, and we have to remove this one first. And there is one screw here and another one here as well. One of them here, another one here as well. There is a 2 socket need to remove. It's going like that, and the 2 socket here as well. And the one cable here is for the door handle. Need to remove this one as well. Okay, everything is removed, and now we have to remove this one and that one as well is here. To remove the motor as well. Okay, let's go to show you. I need to remove this one as well. Look at this one, as the cable is broken, that's why. That's a problem. Look at this one is broken, and the window regulator should be changed actually. This one completely should be changed. Okay, we have to remove this one, and one of them here as well, and another one here as well, and that one as well. Okay, let me just remove it and then show you.
Elite music is fire.
Okay, I put back everything, and look, this one should be exactly same place, the wiring exactly same place, and this one as well, both, and this one as well, and everything all right, no any problem. And I just need to put a cover back and job finish. And thank you so much for watching, and see you for next video.